These cocoa molasses ginger cookies are full of holiday flavor and they are so soft and chewy. To up the chocolate flavor, add chopped chocolate. Dried fruits would also be lovely in these cookies. Let me show you how to make them. First, mix your dry ingredients: 100 grams of all-purpose flour, 2 teaspoons cocoa powder, a half teaspoon baking soda, a half teaspoon cinnamon, a pinch each nutmeg and clove, and a 1/4 teaspoon ginger. Whisk and set aside. To a bowl, add 4 tablespoons of softened butter. Add a 1/4 cup of light brown sugar and cream. Then add 2 tablespoons of molasses. If you do not want a very strong molasses flavor, replace 1 tablespoon of the molasses with honey or maple syrup. Add 1 teaspoon of fresh ginger to up the ginger flavor. Now gently fold in the dry ingredients. Chill for about 10 to 15 minutes, then form into 12 to 15 balls and chill again. Preheat oven to 350 degrees and place the cookie balls 2 inches apart on a parchment-lined baking sheet and bake for 9 to 10 minutes or until cracked on top. Cool 10 minutes and enjoy.